Okay, today we will discuss another example on CG coefficient for the addition of angular momentum J1 is equals to 1 and J2 is equals to 1. As for J1 is equals to 1 and J2 is equals to 1 also, value of M is between minus J2 plus J, so M1 is equals to minus 1, 0 and 1. Same for the value of M2 also, minus 1, 0 and 1. And the value of J will be lie between, by the selection rule, J1 plus J2 to J1 minus J2. So this will be in between 2, 1 and 0. So for the value of J is equals to 2, J is equals to 2, value of M lies in between minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. And the possible combination which are for this J is equals to 2 is Jm, J1, J2. The way of writing CG coefficient J1, J2, M1, M2, Jm, J1, J2, M1, M2. So first writing the 2 minus 2 can be written as 1, 1 as J1, J2 value is 1, 1 and value of M1, M2. The value of M1, M2 now depends on minus 2. By the selection rule we know that M1 plus M2 is equals to M. This must follow here. So the value of M is minus 2. The possible value of M1, M2 for the minus 2 is minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. Jm here is 2 minus 2. J1, J2, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. No other combination is possible for this minus 2. Here you can check from here. Now move to 2 and minus 1. 2 and minus 1. For the 2 and minus 1, J1, J2, M1, M2 must be the value is equals to minus 1. So the clear combination will be minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. Minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 0 plus another combination which is possible here is now again 0 and minus 1. 1, 1, 0, minus 1. Okay, same as you can do the combination for 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2, 2. Let me write it quickly for you. And if you want to do it on your own, then please pause this video and try it by yourself to know how to write these CG coefficients. The CG coefficient values, let's start with this. As we know that 2, 2 and 1, 1 are normalized, so we can write them as 2, 2 is equals to 1, 1, 1 and 1. When you operate J minus operator on 2, 2, as we know J minus when operate on Jm state gives us a root 2 J plus M, J minus M plus 1, and it changes the eigenstate like J M minus 1. So the eigenstate will be 2, 1 and its eigenvalue 4, which is equally equals to 2. Here J1 minus plus J2 minus will be operate on this side. Now the 2, 1 state is like this: 1, 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 by root 2. Okay. Same as like this, you can find out by operating J minus operator again and again, you can find out the value of 2, 0, 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 2. I am writing this in a quick manner. You can do this as an exercise for you. Now move back to the value for the j is equals to 1. Now for j is equals to 1, the possible condition for the m is -1, 0 and 1. So for the first j1 and m is equals to 1, the combination possible here is same for the rest of these combination 1 0 and 1 minus 1. I'm writing this in a quick manner. You can solve it by on your own. Now not even a single combination from this is possible, so that we can operate j minus operator. So it's simply to let 1 1 state is equals to, if I let this is equals to a and this is equals to b, then it will look like this: 1 1 0 plus b 1 1 0 1, and the normalization of this will gives us 1 1 is equals to a square plus b square is equals to 1. Now we will try to operate this with a state which has the same eigen state like this, but they are also normalization with this total ket. So we know from our previous eigenkets we can use this one. Let me write this here: 2 1 1 by root 2 . So this can be easily seen that the eigenkets, these are normalized, but the total eigenkets are not. So 1 1 2 1, when orthogonalization equals to a by root 2 plus b by root 2 is equals to 1, and from here when we find the value of a and b from these two equations, we came to know that okay, then now from here it is easy to operate the j minus operator, and by operating j minus on this we can find out the 1 0 ket state and the another 1 minus 1 state. And now this is an easy task for you to find out these kets. I'm leaving this as a homework for you, and same procedure you can repeat for the 0 0 eigenstates, and in the same way you can proceed for the value of j is equals to 0 for which m is equals to 0. So the possible state for the 0 0 is equals to say 1 1 and 1 minus 1 0 0 1 1 1 minus 1 plus 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 plus 1 1 minus 1 1 0 0 1 1 minus 1 1. Okay, so this will gives us a 1 1 1 minus 1 plus b 1 1 0 0 plus c 1 1 minus 1 1. Okay, but again applying the normalization property, 0 0 will gives us a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 1, and now we have to use that type of eigenkets which have the same these components, but they are orthogonalization with the whole superposition. So we have this one 2 0 eigenket which is clearly normalized with these components, but orthogonal with 2 0 and 0 0. So the value for the orthogonalization for 2 0 0 0 gives us a by root 6 plus b by 2b by root 6 and c by root 6 is equals to 0. And when you will find out this value of 1 0 and perform the one more eigencat with 0 0, because we need one more equation to find these values, and this will be very helpful for us to have one more equation, 1 by root 2 minus c by root 2 is equals to 0. And from all these equations, one which is a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 1, from all these three equations you can find out that a is equals to 1 by root 3, b is equals to minus 1 over root 3, and c is equals to 1 over root 3. And by this way you can find out your 0 0 eigencat by substituting the value a, b and c. Thank you.